Sino daw iyak up? Is that mom? Yeah, my mom. Huh? It's a bottle with she's a girl from the Philippines. She asked me for a bottle yesterday for her birthday. She don't have a phone and she's not international. It's not international picking. The duck like your duck. 6 minutes! Oh, okay, we're ready. We'll see. Don't forget to tap and share the live. I'm not gonna be dancing for now, so that I have energy later. Chill cook sinigang pork. Nakasabay kita kahapon sa van, sayang nakalikuran ka pala sa harap ako nakaupo. O iba, yung nasa harapan ko kasi may anak siya. Nanay mo si Jonah?
Nanay ko siya.
Ano sabi mo? Gusto mo nata
Nanay ko siya.
What did you said? Someone said I'm the mother. Ayan. Ha?
She's my mother.
Yung may dinaan sa Jollibee. May dinaan sa Jollibee?
Yung isa sa pasaheros na dinaan sa Jollibee. Siya yun.
Wala mang dinaan sa Jollibee. Saan yung banda, madam? Ay, hala ka! Wala na! Saan na yun? Hala, nasaan? No, wala na. Wait. Hala, 4 minutes! 4 minutes na lang ngayon. Anay lang. Ay na. Di ba nakadress ka kahapon? Oo. Ikaw yung nasa harapan ko? Yung nasa harapan ko or... Ikaw man ini! Aliya sayaw! Katabi ng driver? Katabi ng driver? Wala man! You have ticket? I have! Meron! Ay, Maggie! At 3 minutes! Saan na yun? Don't forget to tap the live! Nakakasaya ka ng araw! Salamat! Saan na yun? 3 minutes pa! The animals like your dancing. Yeah! Pachay po ito, Bob. Thank you for the roses! Ayan, zumba na. Mamaya